The ZANU-PF chairman in fatal crash after threatening to poison VP Chiwenga with crocodile milk. ED birthday gig backfires. Azvibere Moshe panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi 2 people died on spot and the scarf came out unharmed. Chitiko chashamisa vanhu sanabira mashoko anobuda nyika panguva ino zvizere. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. A horrifying incident is claimed enlisted 2 lives after a car belonging to ZANU-PF National and West chairperson Tapiwa Masenda was involved in a head-on collision with a Zupco bus just before entering Shavani. The crash occurred barely 24 hours after Masenda chaired a volatile inter-district meeting where his leadership announced support for President Olusegun Mnangagwa's presidency extension to 2030, triggering outrage from party youths who demanded land allocation first. In quotes, "I am standing right at the bridge right now," said one unarmed ZANU-PF member at the scene. It seems the driver was either sleeping or using the phone. The bus tried to avoid a head-on, but it was too late. According to ZVAITWA investigations, one woman identified only as Zanu died instantly. A second female passenger died shortly after being rushed to hospital. Several others were critically injured. Masenda was reportedly not in the vehicle at the time. His current condition and whereabouts remains unclear. Timeline of events. Sunday, Masenda leads meeting to beg mnangagwa for 2030 presidents amid protests from hungry youths demanding land. Monday morning, car connected to Masenda crashes with the Zupco bus near Shavana Bridge. 2 women confirmed deaths. Names withheld pending full identification. The vehicle suspected to be one of Chiwenga's politically gifted fleet, known for being handed out to ruling party loyalists. The crash has ignited new questions over the reckless gifting of high-powered vehicles to ZANU-PF officials without driver training or protocol, especially amid rising road fatalities across the country. But the investigations are underway as police and fire services continue to clear the scene. Tomasho aripo panguva ine pamusoro this developing story. Pina comment section medu kuti zomafunguro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa, so subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.